You're good.
Alrighty. Welcome to art class. We are going to be learning the elements of art. So, do you guys know any or name any of the elements of art? Or have any ideas of what they could be? There's 7 of them.
Shapes.
Shape.
Shading.
No. Close.
Sketching.
Shading could, like the lights and the darks.
Yeah.
Okay, we call that value.
Right.
What'd you say?
Sketching.
Sketching. Type of drawing. Okay, so
Drawing.
what is this represent?
Perspective.
Okay, it has a lot of lines. So line is 1. And you guys can be drawing this in your sketchbook. Just write down leave gaps in between though, because we're going to give a definition and an example.
How many are there?
There's 7. And then this is shape, which Eileen said. This one shows value. It has the lights and the darks.
Color.
Perfect.
Yes. Hello.
Color is similar to value, right? Shows the lights and the darks. Just
But more structure.
yes. Okay. 2 more. 3 more.
Realist.
What is this picture? Of?
Statue.
Okay. And what's a statue? Is it?
Marble. Sculpture.
It's 2D or 3D?
3D.
Okay, so it's a form.
Form.
Form. Yes. What does this have or show?
Realistic.
Okay.
Colors.
And it has really, would it look like you can touch it?
Yeah.
Okay, so is it
3D.
texture?
Yes. I'm swinging a bit. Is this a high school?
6th grade. Okay, last one. This one's a little bit harder.
Oh, there's another one. Perspective. No.
Okay, so this one's
Mirroring.
space.
Space.
Space is in a lot of different pictures. See how you can see the faces and then you can see the base?
Yeah.
Okay, so now line is a point in motion. See down here, if you start with a point and then you just move the point, it's making it go back.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the line. All right. Now, do you guys know what a shape is?
A circle.
Okay, that's a great example. It's a enclosed area, so it's a line that's enclosed, and it's a 2D flat. So like a circle or a square, great examples.
Or rhombus.
Okay, so color. How would you describe color? Color's kind of hard
Bright.
to actually describe. Okay,
Vibrant.
it's a definition.
Light reflecting different
That's awesome.
things.
It's light hitting an object and your eye actually perceiving it. So it's actually your eye that produces color. So it's light hitting an object. It's okay. You can just cross it out and switch it. Alright, so then we have value. Value is similar to color in the sense that value
Shadows.
in this picture, you can see how there's value in the actual different colors. So value is the lights and the darks of a color. So white is the lightest, and then black is the darkest. See how in this picture there's medium tones in the hand and then the paper is white? Yes.
Is for value, is it
No, it can be any shade of color. So if you have, so see how in this one it starts with a little blue, and then it slowly goes into white? That's a value, because it's shading lighter. So it's just the light and the darks of a color.
Okay.
It's just the lightest you can go is white, because all of the colors combining white. It's the lowest. Okay, so then form is like shape, but
3D.
yes.
Yes.
So it's a three-dimensional. So like a cube or a sphere. And then it can even actually be in like a painting where it just looks like it's a three-dimensional volume. It doesn't actually have to come out at you. Now, texture. Anybody have a definition for texture?
You can feel it.
Yes.
You can touch it.
So it's what you feel or what it would look like, it would feel like. Artists add texture to make it so that we associate feeling to the actual art piece. And last one, space. Space can be a little confusing just because it's all around us. It's the positive and the negative areas around anything. So it's the spacing between columns. It's the overlapping of something. It's in this one. In this
Sorry, it was
picture,
positive. What?
positive and negative area. So in this picture, the face, see how that's one space, it's a negative, and then the base is positive, because the base looks like it's coming out unless you change and get the other space. Alright, so now we have the definitions. Would someone like to come up? We're gonna pass around the pen. So you can pick one of these elements and you just draw a quick little sketch or example. So like if someone, kids, you want to start us off, so you can go up and draw a shape or draw a line. And then
Can I
everyone,
bring this?
yes. Perfect. So it's a cube.
Oh wait. Okay.
Can I just give an example?
Yes.
Awesome. Clay has a very smooth texture, or it can be rough, depending on what you Nice. It's a nice point in motion.
That's how I wrote.
Mackenzie likes the shapes.
Oh. It's a whole big picture.
Alright, so color's kind of hard to draw, but with the different colors that are on your sketchbook, obviously you guys know what color is. Okay, so value, I don't know if we could do it with this marker, but there's the dark, and then you slowly get it to be lighter. It's easier with your pencils. And then space, an example for space can be things overlapping, or then you have another thing over here, so it's just the spacing in the art piece. So I actually took some of your shapes or forms and just overlapped them and created a different space. Alright. Now, did you guys copy those examples into your sketchbook next to the definition? You can also make up your own if you don't like the shape or the line. So I'm gonna be passing out a paper. This will be your in-class and homework if we don't finish it. So it's a cube all laid out with different elements on each side of the cube. So just color it out. So if the form, you just either draw something like the cube or draw a sculpture that you love or anything. And then there's also the value and shape. And there's markers right here. And then when you completed all of the sides, you can cut it out and you can tape it to be a cube. And we will use it next class period to refresh on our elements. That's good value.
Thanks.
Nice form. You drew a speaker. Cone.
Yep.
Nice work. Made it easy.
Oh yeah.
So color, you can
I
draw.
want colors.
Color, you can either use different colors and draw a rainbow, or you can draw like an artist, how they have the paint set, and they have a little board that they paint from. You can just draw that as an illustration of the different colors. But you're also in Hawaii and we're the rainbow state, so. Nice, very creative. It also actually works for texture also.
That's what I was going for.
Pretty rainbow. It's like Pepsi.
True.
Alright, so do you also see how rainbow for color or the Pepsi symbol for color and the heart for shape, we see these in our everyday lives? And how these pictures are also can be found in our everyday lives, like the leaf has texture. Nice. Looks so fuzzy.
Yeah. I was going for like grass. Prickly.
Alright, so you guys can cut them out at home and tape them together. And now, in our everyday lives, as we see the elements, we also can see them in all the art pieces. And actually, there's not an art piece that doesn't have some element. They don't all have to have all of them combined, but they just need to have at least one. And if you look at art pieces and you think of, or you look around you at things that you actually like or that are easy to see and you like to see them and match well, that's because they have one of the elements.